Hey everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. Today we are continuing with the next installment in the 12-step total home reset that I have been doing as a series on my channel. 12 weeks in the lead up to Christmas, just giving your house a really nice once over, kind of a bit deeper clean than usual. So today we are going to be tackling the bedroom and giving it a nice clean and freshen up so that come Christmas holiday time, you're not faced with a massive task of cleaning your whole house in a really dirty state. It's already had a really nice once over, so that in that lead up to Christmas, all you have to do is just give it a little bit of a freshen up. Okay, so now that the bed is nicely made and everyone on the internet is triggered by the amount of cushions that I put on my bed, I don't know why everyone gets so invested and concerned about how many pillows a grown woman puts on her own bed when they just watching a bedroom cleaning video. It never ceases to amaze me, and I will always get so many comments, even if I show two ways of making your bed. One way that I usually make my bed, which is super simple and minimal, and then another way if I want the bed to look nice and fancy and really well done up, like for thumbnails for videos, for example, or if people are coming to inspect my home to potentially rent it. I don't know why people get so invested by the number of pillows people put on their bed, but anyway, it is what it is. Sometimes I have a lot of pillows, sometimes I only have a few. The way I see it is, it's my bed. I am a grown adult who manages my own time, and if I want to spend occasionally 25 seconds putting extra pillows on my bed, that is my prerogative. If you disagree, fine, but just disagree in your head. You don't need to leave me comments, because no matter how many comments you leave saying, you've got too many pillows on your bed, it's not going to change the way I make my bed. So just save your time, save your energy, and push that into maybe cleaning your own bedroom.
I know we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no calls from you. Without you, could shake this off, but you're not that tough with me. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright. Run away with me, and I'll be good this time around. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time. Don't say we're drifting apart, I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you.
Now that all the heavy cleaning is finished, it's just time to do a little bit of a pickup of my makeup. I have a chest of IKEA Nordly drawers inside my closet, and I use it to store not only my clothes but all of my makeup and kind of daily essentials. The lighting is better and I don't like to store it in my bathroom, that's why I keep it here. It just needs a quick clean up, a quick tidy up. It's really low maintenance and easy to keep clean. That's why I really like it. The makeup organizer sitting on the top is from Target, and I am trying to whittle down and cull and declutter my makeup collection so that it just fits in that one small makeup organizer. I have downsized so much over the past few years, but I've still got a little bit to go.
Do it right now. You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
So guys, that about wraps up today's video. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me and giving my bedroom a nice clean, and that has inspired and motivated you to get in and get yours done. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you go. Hang out and watch another video or two. I will leave the rest of the videos in this series linked in the description below. Have a fabulous day. Have a fabulous sleep in your nice clean bedroom. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.